9783 Cordova Vista. Maybe power wash the driveway, remove the satellite dish. Landscape cleanup, of course. Remove that wind chime. Touch up this paint or completely repaint. This handle has damaged the stucco here. Tile at the entry, and off to the right we have the washer dryer. We do have blinds in here. Need to rekey that door, junk that. Repaint this garage door. Rekey and repaint the front door. I think a total repaint, yeah, I'm pretty sure. Fridge is small, so maybe replace the fridge. Tough call on whether to go white or stainless steel. Let the property manager make that decision. So these are 2.5-inch forward blinds. The only thing is they're not white. We like white. But since they're already here and they seem to be in decent condition, if the majority of them work, it might make sense to keep them rather than replace them. Looks like the irrigation, so we probably want to know what happened, why it's exposed. It's nice that we already have concrete in place so you can enjoy the yard. This goes all the way down. That's why they have the pet door there. Okay. There it is. Change the thermostat. We have beautiful plantation blinds and crown molding in here. The baseboards are not looking so good. Fix and paint cabinet doors as necessary. So they've removed the door from here for some reason and they've hung a shower rod. Plantation shutters, but they don't match the shutters in the other room and it's damaged, so remove cables, of course repaint. So it looks like there may be an alarm on that window, which is preventing the blinds from shutting completely. Okay, that's about it.